Welcome to Rambam in Depth. Today we'll be discussing the Rambam Hilchos Shabbos Perek Chaf-Dalet, Halacha Zayin. The Rambam writes as follows: Ein onshin b'Shabbos. We do not inflict punishment on Shabbos. Aval pi she'ha'onish mitzvos asei, ein odecha Shabbos. Even though it's a positive mitzvah, it's a positive commandment to punish. It's one of the 613 mitzvahs. It doesn't override Shabbos. Ketzad, how so? Hareshin is chai bebezdin malkus and misah. Person has been convicted of a sin for which there is malkus, lashes, or a death penalty. Ein malkin asei, ein misah asei b'Shabbos. We don't give him lashes, and we don't inflict the death penalty on Shabbos. Shenemar leisavar eish b'chomesh v'seifam b'yom Shabbos. The Torah says you do not light a fire in all your dwelling places on the day of Shabbos. What does it mean, lighting a fire? Who is it referring to? Zu azhara lebezdin shlo yisru b'Shabbos mishin eschayv sreifa. This is an admonition to the courts. They should not impose the death penalty of sreifa, of burning, for someone who was convicted of a sin for which there is sreifa. And then the Rambam adds, of hu adin l'shar onshin. The same thing applies to other punishments. So, Magen Avraham, in our Chaim Siman Shin Lametes, brings this Rambam, and he says that the Rambam adds something that the Gemara doesn't say. The Gemara talks about misas bezdin, a death penalty. The Rambam also adds malkus. And in fact, he mentions malkus even before misah. So from the Rambam's mention of malkus, where there's no Hilchos Shabbos in malkus itself, from this you can be medayik, you can infer that even punishments for which there is no Hilchos Shabbos, that is also forbidden to do on Shabbos, biblically. That he says it could be that malkus there is Hilchos Shabbos in malkus, because when you give lashes, it can create a chabura, a wound, and that itself is a melachah. But it doesn't seem that the Rambam holds only malkus, because the Rambam says other onshin, other punishments. He doesn't qualify which punishments. It seems that all punishments are forbidden to be inflicted on Shabbos. And that's how the Avnei Nezer infers from the Rambam when he says huadin shar onshin, other punishments, that it has nothing to do with Hilchos Shabbos. One could also prove this point even more from the fact that the Rambam starts off by saying, even though there's a mitzvah asei to punish. So the Mefarshim asks, what do you mean it's a mitzvah asei? But Shabbos is a lois asei ve'eseh, and Shabbos is a lois asei that has misas bezdin. So why would you think that the mitzvah of einish, which is only a mitzvah asei, should override the Hilchos Shabbos? But it could be that the Rambam therefore holds that it's not just limited to onshin that there's Hilchos Shabbos. Any einish, even if there's no Hilchos Shabbos, malkus without a chabura, without a wound, even so, you would think that maybe there's a mitzvah asei and there's no Hilchos Shabbos. So the Torah says, yes, there is Hilchos Shabbos. This is a law of leisavaro eish. Some achreinim say that malkus is b'chlal misah. So when Perek forbids misah, it includes malkus. It's very difficult to say that, but it's more mashma that the Rambam holds that it has nothing to do with the fact that it's Hilchos Shabbos in itself. There's a Chinuch that says clearly, like that Chinuch usually follows the Rambam, not always, but usually follows the Rambam. The Rambam, the Chinuch writes, and Avnei Nezer brings this, and he's medayik from the Chinuch, Lo yasim hadayanim dinim b'Shabbos. Dayanim should not do any judgments on Shabbos. Shiratza Hashem Yisbarach l'chaber hayom hazeh sheyimtzu b'menucha hakoil gam hachaitim v'achayavim. The Eibishter wanted to honor this day, that there should be menucha, tranquility in this day, even for sinners and even people who are guilty of crimes. They should have a rest on this day. And even the Chinuch adds, even if they violated and they gave the order to administer the punishment of sreifa on Shabbos, they violated this law. In other words, the etzem psika, the etzem paskening, ruling that the person deserves to be executed, that itself is forbidden, even though there's no melachah in what they're saying. And also Rabbi Yeruchem Fishel Perlow is biur to say from mitzvahs the rasag. So after he brings a mocker to the Shittas Rambam from Mechilta de Rashbi, because in all the other sources there's no indication that it applies to other onshin, where there's no misah. But in Chuf de Rashbi, it's mashma that even other onshin, but after he brings the makar, he gives an explanation. What does he say? The Rabbi Yeruchem Fishel Perlow says that the fact that the iser to give a punishment is on the bezdin. Now, the bezdin themselves don't do anything. They don't actually administer the punishment. They just give the orders. And the fact itself that they give orders, and that is also forbidden, even though they don't do the einish themselves, that you can prove that the Torah was interested in banning punishment b'chlau, not the punishment that has misah in it, any punishment, and there's no difference between einish misah to other onshin. In other words, the iser is on the idea of giving punishment, or even giving a ruling for the punishment and making the person subject to that punishment. Even that's forbidden, and therefore the Rambam prefaces malkus before misah. Because if you say misah first, you'd have to question why is malkus included. But the etzem inyan of giving a ruling for an einish, that itself is the problem on Shabbos, like the Chinuch says. The only question you could still ask is, why doesn't the Rambam say mefurish, that the iser is on the bezdin to give the psak? So the answer is the Rambam doesn't say things that are not clearly expressed in Chazal, unless it's his own opinion. Sometimes he'll write Eimer Ani, the Yira Li, but in this case, the Rambam allows you to infer that from his words that the etzem psika, the etzem ruling, is the problem. Therefore, it doesn't make a difference what kind of einish it is. But the Rambam doesn't mention it explicitly because in his sources, it doesn't say it explicitly either.